blow, 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 blow.
On February 11, 2023, officers responded to a theft report at Giant Foods in Warner Robins, Georgia. The suspect was accused of stealing a butcher's coat from the store. Officers located the suspect at a nearby liquor store, wearing the alleged stolen coat.
What's going on, man? Where'd you get the butcher coat from?
I told y'all I do volunteer work all over here, man.
I got you. You got any ID with you or anything?
I ain't got no ID.
What was your name?
Xavier.
Xavier.
Z, A-V-I-E-R.
Were you at HMC this morning?
Who?
HMC, Houston Medical Center, the hospital?
I don't know. This morning, yesterday morning.
Like yesterday morning? I saw the armband on your arm. I got you. Just want to make sure it wasn't 81.
Yeah, 91.
Hey, Mr. Jackson, you mind pulling your pants down just a little bit?
You know, these balls are itch.
I got you. But you probably don't need to do that inside of the store, right? We got people present.
I try to live by a model citizen. You get what I'm saying? Each and every time.
I got you. Ooh.
It was sometimes when I knew for a fact that it didn't matter where I was. I was honest and true.
I got you.
Every single time.
What went on over there at the Giant Foods, though?
I didn't do nothing at the Giant Foods. I don't even know where the Giant Foods at.
The one right next door that you were just walking from?
I don't know. I don't look at the buildings now.
It's the one at the end of the parking lot.
I don't know. I don't look at any buildings. I just, you know what I'm saying? I stroll on my way. When I see my sign, there it is. You know what I'm saying?
I got you. So, as far as the jacket, the white jacket, where'd you get that from?
I've had this for a little while, man.
For a little while? How long's a little while?
At least about 3 or 4 months.
3 or 4 months?
At least. You know what I'm saying? I carry me bags each and every day. You know? I don't play around.
I got you.
Diana? Yeah. Papa's here.
Hey, do you guys have video of him? Because I think we have him over at the liquor store.
He was in the back room. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And the jacket has our name in the back.
Does it? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to take a picture. I think 2 officers are out with him right now.
Okay.
As backup officers arrived at the scene, tensions quickly escalated. What began as a seemingly routine interaction spiraled out of control when the suspect decided he wasn't going down without a fight. The officers attempted to place him under arrest, but Jackson immediately resisted, pulling away, clenching his fists, and refusing to comply.
What did I do, bro?
Put your hands on me.
I didn't do shit, yo.
Hold on.
Listen,
Mr. Jackson, stop.
Listen, bro.
Stop.
Can y'all just listen to me, bro?
We are listening to you, but you have to abide by what we're doing.
Shoot up. I didn't do that, bro. Look at this shit here. Look at that fire. Oh, blow. Blow. Blow, blow. Blow, blow. Blow, blow.
Taser. Situation 519 is running.
I'm clear. All units, code 1, code 1.
Headed toward Green Street.
I'm clear. All units, code 1, code 1 traffic, Davis Liquor.
Be advised, he just jumped in the back of somebody's vehicle.
I'm clear. He jumped in the back of somebody's vehicle.
I'm natural.
Do shit.
Stop.
I ain't did shit.
Get on the ground.
Get on the fucking ground.
Get on the ground.
Now.
Face down.
Down.
Face down.
Get down now.
Where y'all at?
You're not. Face down.
You're gonna take me a second. There we go.
I'm back.
When you can, give me an update.
Move your hands. Got it.
I'm clear 28.
Whoa.
When you can.
I didn't know we got one.
28.
28. He's in custody.
I gotta breathe.
I'm clear. He's in custody. 1342 hours.
Let me breathe.
Who needs a van? I'm clear.
He's good. He's still up. There we go.
62's en route. I'm clear. You're en route. 120.
Did you tell them where we were?
Where's your exact location?
My God.
We're at the food mart. New one at Green. I'm clear at the new food mart. Get taser deployment.
My hood.
Clear on taser deployment.
My hood did it. Okay.
My body cam got turned off.
It's crazy.
When we were,
I just almost lost my radio because it was the best.
when we were inside.
Look, there's my radio.
You good? You good?
Yep.
Okay.
Look.
Right, grab. Yep.
Sit up. You have something to remove this?
No, do you have one in
I
your
got
car?
one in my car.
You have a camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me a key.
Playing. Hurry the f up. Damn.
We're waiting on your ride, man.
Y'all need me way on that thing.
Cameras in the back.
Take a look. Take out the shoes. Take a look. Take out my shoes. Slave won't know.
And the yellow. The yellow device to get these out. It's in that bucket.
Look. You got the uniform on.
Well, I mean,
Oh, shit.
we don't need.
Oh,
I didn't get any of the information.
Boots.
You're fine.
It's okay.
Get the
Okay, you're good, Joe. I got you.
Come on. Get the thing off.
We are. Give us a sec.
You can go by you code to a stroke at 604 David. That's on your leaving.
Get the fuck off.
Yours is also on the way.
Miss Long.
Huh?
You know this.
So he's a lot
It's
faster.
not related.
All right, if I remember how to do this.
Remember? You know how to play this thing? Yeah.
No, I didn't hear you.
I won. You were there. I said, below this in.
Okay.
You remember that? Hey, remember it.
Yeah.
To get these out, my brain's not working right now. To get these out, which one do we press? The top one? Top to release.
Yeah, top to release. There we
I
go.
didn't want to tase myself.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
I ain't doing that. You know that. I ain't doing that. I got it.
26 Central Team, please are walking with us at a phone.
No.
I'm up.
If you stand up, you're going to go down hard.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Do not stand up.
Yes, sir. I thought you was ready to
Keep your feet out in front of you. Keep your feet out in front of you. Stretch your feet out.
Yeah.
Stretch the other one out. I'm telling you, if you stand up, you're going to go down hard. Everybody, you ready to stand up?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's stand up.
Two of y'all get on both sides.
Get your feet. 1, 2, 3. Up, 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 up.
Yeah.
Damn. I got it. Okay. Okay.
All right, step up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh.
Take a seat.
Right there. Hey.
Take a seat.
We still got you're all tangled up in
He's
that.
sitting right there.
You want him? He got tased and he was on something. He went down hard. I just wanted to check on him. He's definitely on something though.
When the man was taken to jail and booked, officers say that during his search, a dollar bill fell to the floor containing both cocaine and meth, along with a stolen debit card. In the end, he was charged with theft, indecent exposure, obstruction, and multiple drug offenses. What do you think? Did officers go too far with the taser, or was it the only option once he fought back? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video, and as always, stay safe out there.